Hey everyone, so my NV box has arrived. It has been a little late this month, but it's okay. So it's a beautiful suitcase designed NV box. I wish it were a bag because I've seen a Steve Madden bag of a similar design, but nonetheless it's really cool. So they have sent 3 cards with it. One is about Truth Healthcare, some capsule which they have sent. One is the NV list, and the third thing is the Love My NV box contest and a discount coupon for their jewelry box. So yeah. So coming to the products, what all they have sent this time. The first product that they have sent is the ChronoCare City Detox Face Wash. This is the face wash. So in the box it is 30 ml, which is retailing for 125 bucks. Full size is 100 ml. So this is a face wash. They say that it's a good detoxifying face wash which would rather remove the oil of your face. So let's see. It is free from sulfate, mineral oils, parabens, silicons and fragrance. So it's really good and natural. I anyways love ChronoCare products, so it's anyways a plus. The second product is Ma Earth Botanicals Rose Facial Scrub. In the box it is 40 grams, which is for 275 rupees. Full size is for 125 grams. So I'll show you the kind of consistency that it has. It is a very powdery kind of a consistency. You can see it's a kind of a powder. You have to mix it with water or milk and then apply it on your face basically. I love Ma Earth Botanical products also. It's a very nice earthy kind of a brand. So good to try that also. Then there is the Cal lip gloss. This is the kind of packaging from Cal. There's a full size product which retails for 450 bucks. I will show you also. This is the kind of lip gloss. The shade number is L07. This is the shade on my lips, by the way. The color on my lips that you see is this color. So yeah, it's a really nice peachy orange kind of a color. So I like such colors, so I really like this also. Thankfully it is a gloss, but the texture is very matte. So I don't know how that is, a gloss being matte, but it is quite matte as you can see on my lips. So yeah, good to have. Then there is Cal mascara, which is also a full size 12 ml mascara. I'm not opening this because too many mascaras are on my shelf right now. I would rather keep it closed and secure, because you should not, open your mascaras and then ruin them. Whenever you have to use them, just open them at that time rather. Then the fourth or fifth thing is the Truth Beauty Formula. Where is the formula? Yeah, Truth Beauty Formula tablets. There are 30 pills for 400 bucks. Now they say that each of this capsule or the pill contains biotin, collagen and 25 essential nutrients. It's a kind of a multivitamin that they have sent. Though in the ingredient list it only mentions vitamins and minerals and everything, calcium, zinc and everything. I would rather suggest that you please check with your doc if it's safe to use. Post that you can use it. Though they say that it is licensed from FSSAI and it's a dietary supplement, so I don't think there's any harm in using it. And the fifth product is a Clear Start from Dermatologica. Now that's a very small sample, like too small a sample. You can see what kind of a sample is this. What is this? It's okay, खैर मतलब बहुत छोटा sample है, but ठीक है, कुछ तो है. I don't know the price. There's no price written as well. It's supposed to treat my breakouts, which I'm having any which ways because of the antibiotics that I'm taking currently. But anyways, it's too small a sample. I'm not happy with this one. I guess the only product that I'm not happy with. So my NV box is a luxury beauty subscription service. They send you very top-notch in luxury products. Though not too many top-notch products this time, but good products definitely. Except this sample, I'm very happy with whatever they've sent me, like from ChronoCare, Ma Earth Botanical, the lip gloss and the mascara. So I'm happy with this month's NV box. I would totally ask you to go for it. It retails for around 850 bucks for a month, but if you subscribe for a higher duration, you get discounts. I love NV box for their like top-notch products which they send, and they try and innovate every time. So this time they've sent a pill. Maybe next time, I don't know what they'll send. So they have innovated in the past as well. This was my NV box review. Hope you liked it. Do not forget to participate in the giveaway which is running on my channel. I'll give you the link right in the description box. Until next time, thank you for watching Beautiful Within. Bye bye.